Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to track order in Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to track your orders in your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options where it says home, categories, and you. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land on this interface where you can see the second option that says your orders just below the messages. Tap on your orders, and now all of your orders will be here, from processing to shipped to deliver to your returning orders. So in order to track your order in your Temu account, one of your orders, if you have ordered something from the Temu app, will be over here. And with that being said, guys, this is the process to track your orders in your Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.